If Microsoft Word is showing error 0Xc004C060, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get Word activated again and back to normal. This usually happens when there's a problem with your Office license, the wrong Microsoft account is being used, or your activation needs a repair. We're going to go through the simple checks first, then move into the repair tools and activation command that can fix the issue for good. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you are signed in with the correct Microsoft account that is connected to your Office license. This is one of the most common reasons Word shows activation errors. If you bought Microsoft 365 or Office under a different email, Word may not recognize your subscription. Open Word, go to your account or activation settings and confirm that the logged in account matches the one tied to your license. If it doesn't, sign out and sign back in with the correct account. Next, check whether your product key is valid if you are using a key-based version of Office. A wrong, expired, or already used key can trigger this error. If you have a retail key, make sure it has been entered properly and that it hasn't already been used on another device more times than allowed. If the key is valid, continue to the next step. Now, let's repair Microsoft Office from the control panel. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and search for Control Panel. Open it, then go to Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Office in the list, click it once, and choose Change. You should see repair options appear. Start with the quick repair option first because it fixes many common issues without taking too long. Follow the prompts and let the process complete. If Word still shows the same error after that, go back and run the online repair option. Online repair is more thorough and can fix deeper activation and installation problems, although it takes longer and may require an internet connection. After the repair is finished, restart your computer and open Word again to check whether the error is gone. If it still appears, the next step is to use Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant, also known as SARO. This is an official Microsoft tool that can automatically diagnose and fix Office activation problems. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant, then download the tool from Microsoft's official website. Once it's installed, run it and follow the on-screen instructions. Choose the Office Activation or Microsoft 365 option when prompted and let the tool scan your system. In many cases, it can detect the exact cause and apply a fix automatically. If the error remains, we can try activating Office manually through Command Prompt. This step is especially useful when the activation status is stuck. To do this, open Command Prompt as Administrator. Click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Once the window opens, type the activation command carefully. For most Office 2016 installations, the command is CS script followed by the Office path and the /@ switch. The path may vary depending on your version of Office, so if needed, adjust it to match your installation folder. After you enter the command, press Enter and wait for the activation process to finish. If it succeeds, Word should stop showing the error. Another important thing to check is your system date and time. If your clock is incorrect, Office activation can fail because Microsoft servers may reject the request. Open your date and time settings and make sure everything is set correctly. Turn on automatic time if available, then confirm your time zone is also correct. After updating it, restart Word and check again. If you've made it this far, you're already close to fixing the problem. Most users solve error 0Xc004C060 by signing into the correct account, repairing Office, or reactivating it with the command line. If you're still stuck, try reinstalling Office only after you've exhausted the repair options because repair is usually faster and safer. And that's how to fix Microsoft Word error 0Xc004C060 step by step. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.